At the Melbourne Convention Exhibition Centre, we do have a strong food philosophy based around, using Victorian produce, but we're very particular about what produce we do use. It's important that the people that we use have got great farming principles. I guess sustainability is one of those principles that's very, very important to us. Energy efficiency, waste control, waste management is a very, very important part, and of course also chemical use is a very important part of what we do. We like to monitor what we use, we're very careful in what we do, we're careful in what goes down the drains. We've got a great reputation. eWater helps us achieve that and maintain that reputation. It's a very, very important part of what we do. Our back of house areas are spotless. We use the eWater for the cleaning of all our fruit and vegetables that come in. We clean a lot of our seafoods as well to gain shelf life, as well as cleaning. And the sanitising results that we're getting are fantastic. So food safety is a huge part of what we do, and it's a huge part of the success that we do. So sanitising all of our products is very, very important. So we are constantly micro-testing the authenticity of the eWater product, making sure that we're minimalising any sort of risk of bacteria. Back of house areas, they need to be clean. People come down here, they're very impressed with how clean it is. Our record speaks for itself here. eWater plays a part in that, in those results. We do have a lot of tours here. People are very interested in what we do and our practices, and the eWater becomes a huge focus. So everyone's hugely keen on finding out more about the eWater process and how it helps us, and people looking to put that into their business as well. I've worked with it so long and got used to its principles that, I think if I walked into a kitchen that didn't have eWater, I'd be looking at getting it in there because, I guess it just seems so old-fashioned not to have it.